Welcome to Be Pro Rider, your trusted source for all things motorcycles. Today we have some thrilling news for all motorcycle enthusiasts. Dayun is finally launching the highly anticipated 2025 Dayun 200cc. Let's dive into what makes this launch special and why this bike is set to turn heads in the market. Performance and engine. The 2025 Dayun 200cc comes equipped with a powerful 200cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. This bike is designed for riders who crave both performance and fuel efficiency. Whether you are looking for speed on highways or agility in city traffic, the Dayun 200cc is built to deliver. With enhanced torque and better acceleration, it ensures a smooth ride even on challenging terrains. Design and features. This year's model doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. With a sporty yet sleek design, the 2025 Dayun 200cc features a muscular fuel tank, sharp lines, and aerodynamic body panels that scream speed and style. The LED headlights and taillights not only add a modern touch, but also improve visibility during night rides. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time updates, keeping you informed without distractions. Comfort and handling. Comfort has been a priority for Dayun in the 25 edition. The bike offers an ergonomically designed seat, making long rides easier on the rider. The suspension system has been upgraded to handle bumps and uneven roads with ease, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter where you're headed. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a weekend road trip, the Dayun 200cc guarantees a stable and smooth ride. Safety and braking. Safety is key, and the 2025 Dayun 200cc doesn't disappoint. It features a reliable disc braking system, providing excellent stopping power even in wet conditions. The ABS option further enhances braking control, minimizing skidding and giving riders confidence on the road. With enhanced road grip and improved tire traction, you can ride with peace of mind. Price and availability. Now for the big question. When can you get your hands on this beast? The 2025 Dayun 200cc will soon be available at dealerships across the country at a competitive price, offering great value for money compared to other bikes in its class. So, if you're looking to upgrade or get your first bike, keep an eye out for this launch. The 2025 Dayun 200cc is more than just a bike, it's a statement. With its powerful engine, stylish design, and a host of features, it's set to redefine the 200cc segment. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable ride, the Dayun 200cc is worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in to Be Pro Rider. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Ride safe and ride smart.